My name is Lauren Howard and I studied Business Information Systems with a sandwich placement at Cardiff Metropolitan University. The graduate role that I'm doing now is customer experience. The reason that I chose an RCT Council was because of the range of the different opportunities which they offered. I believe that there was quite a diverse range across the different services, and I thought my transferable skills, which I obtained from my university degree and within my internship, was suitable to quite a lot of them. The highlights for me at RCT have been the different opportunities I've been able to undertake during my role within customer experience. So I've been able to be involved in implementing business processes, which also contribute towards the council's digital strategy. As well as working in the office environment, I've had the chance to go out face to face with our customer and residents. This was based back in November in 2019, and I was able to help out on the residents on the bus pass changeover, and I also had the opportunity to be involved with volunteering with the Storm Dennis back in March 2020. So since joining the scheme, the opportunities which I've had, which I wouldn't have had elsewhere, is to be able to be enrolled onto a level 4 project management course. This didn't seem to be offered on other roles for certain further development, and having this under my belt would have been able to enhance my own learning, and as well as being able to develop my skills so I can continue with my professional development, and also I'll be able to contribute towards more areas within the team. So my line manager, she's basically been like my best friend throughout all of this, especially throughout the pandemic as well. We have weekly meetings and stuff to make sure that I'm achieving what I can. She's forever pushing me to try different things, so like with the CBD events, she's constantly ensuring that I have these different skills so it can help me then within the team, also so I can become an asset within there as well. So the advice that I would give to other graduates applying for the scheme is that be open-minded. I think there's a lot of different opportunities available across different services which would be suited to different skills, and especially if you haven't had experience within an office environment, don't hold you back either. You can, if you want to try and hit the marks in terms of the skills and the competencies on the job description, as long as you've got a good example from your hobbies or even from university environment, or even if you did have a part-time job, as long as you hit the key marks in all of them, I'm sure that will help you towards being a successful candidate within this.